Hello, everybody. If this is your first or second time on this channel, welcome to Sonia G95 DNH channel. Alright, I will be sharing with you how to make black wild rice fermented water for hair growth. I'm going to be using 5 tablespoons of wild black rice. Firstly, I will wash the rice about 2 times. Then I will put it in half cup of water. Make sure the container or jar you are using to ferment your rice, make sure it's clean. After I am done adding in my rice, then I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 tablespoon of cloves. Then I will cover that black wild rice mixture and let it stay overnight. Sometimes I let it stay for over 24 hours, but most time it's 24 hours. Then the next day I'm going to blend it, making sure all the nutrients and that juice, everything is into that black wild rice water. After straining it, I'm going to put it into my spray bottle. This is what's going to happen to your natural hair when you use black wild rice fermented water. It's going to bring your hair back to life. It make your hair stronger, especially for those of you who over manipulate your natural hair. Grow your natural hair faster. One amazing part about black wild rice, it's a high-end rice. Technically, it's not a rice, but the water is really rich with amino acid, protein, and guys, the list go on. And if you didn't see my black wild rice oil, I have a DIY product on this channel, me making black wild rice oil. Make sure to check it out. After I was done, then the next day I went in with a gentle cool wash cleanser and rinse out my hair. Sometimes I will leave this in my hair for 2 to 3 days before rinsing it out. Alright, let's talk about the benefit for black wild rice. Wild black rice is gluten-free, it's low in fat, it's full with antioxidant, it has amino acid, protein, and high in lysozyme. And guys, last but not the least, wild black rice is gorgeously beautiful.